Earn some free money in credit card rewards, increase your credit score, and reduce the fees that you might pay with a credit card. So some fun stuff with credit cards is that you can earn free money. Free money for using the card for your everyday expenses like gasoline, food, going out to eat, date night. The point of a credit card is to help you spend in the time now versus at some point in the future when your income comes in. So we're shifting our spending into the current period in order to be able to buy things now and then pay for them later. However, there are some big things that could get you in trouble with credit cards. When I was younger, my mother used to tell me credit cards were the devil, and so never to have a credit card at all. When I turned 21, I got my first credit card and was able to use it for earning rewards and earning points. So what are credit card rewards? Credit card rewards are ways that the credit card company gives us money back if we are responsible with our credit card. So if we make a purchase and we spend money on our card now, we can accumulate points to travel, cash back, and to use that money for anything we want. Or we could use some points to help us purchase other products. And so using these cards and using these points allows us to earn this free money from the credit card. Some points to remember is to pay off your credit card every single month. So even if you spend $100, pay it off as soon as you can. It's important to pay that so you're not paying interest on the charges. The next is to pay things on time. You never want to pay a late fee on your credit card. Those late fees can add up, and then the interest builds on your purchases and your late fees. So that could be really, really bad if you can't afford to pay it off. At least pay it off each month. Credit cards are really cool because they help you improve your credit score also. So if you don't have the money to buy a house or a car and you don't want to take out a student loan, a credit card is an easy way to start building your credit history and then allowing you to qualify for lower interest rates when you are ready to purchase a home or when you are ready to purchase a car and you need a loan for that car. One way to keep track of your spending and to make sure that you're paying your credit card off each month is to actually break it into smaller pieces. So if you get paid each week from your job, maybe instead of waiting till the end of the month to pay it off, you pay it off at the end of each week. So that way you know you are not accumulating a large balance. You're paying it off in smaller chunks throughout the month. If you can't pay off your credit card each month, it's important to talk to someone. So our Money Success Center coaches can help you manage your budget again. And then also you can talk to a financial advisor.